Now, from the Weather Geeks of Memphis, explaining the science behind our weather, here's WeatherEd, proudly presented by the Cloud 901 Cares Initiative.
Hello everyone, I'm lead forecaster Cameron Kuykindall here with episode 16 of WeatherEd, Winter Precip Types. Let's start off first though talking about types of winter storms. We have blizzards, which is a dangerous winter storm that is a combination of blowing snow and wind, resulting in low visibilities. An ice storm, which is a storm that results in the accumulation of at least 1/4 of an inch of ice on exposed surfaces. And lastly, you have snow squalls, which are brief, intense snow showers accompanied by strong, gusty winds. Now let's get into those wintry precip types. So we have snow. Now, to get snow, temperatures must remain at or below 32 degrees from the cloud base to the ground. So through the entire environment, from the bottom of the cloud until it hits the ground, it has to stay at or below 32 degrees for us to get accumulation and for the snow actually to stick. Because if it's above 32, not going to stick. Then we have sleet, and sleet falls when snowflakes partially melt as they fall and then refreeze before they reach the ground. So there's a shallow warm layer, as you can see on the graphic to the right, where the snow is partially melted, but then it goes into a deep cold layer and it refreezes again to become sleet. And lastly, we have freezing rain, which falls when snowflakes completely melt before reaching the surface and refreeze upon contact with anything at or below 32 degrees. So there's a deep warm layer in the atmosphere as the snow is falling, which melts it completely, but then there's a shallow cold layer right at the bottom before it hits the ground that allows it to refreeze on contact. So whenever we have any type of wintry precip, snow, freezing, rain, sleet, whatever it may be, just know it is dangerous. Take it slow. Make sure you scrape the ice off your windshield, the snow off your windshield. And also make sure you're taking it slow on the roads, because we know the snow on the roads can be bad, freezing rain, and also black ice. That's all I have for you when it comes to this WeatherEd episode. Until next time, I'm lead forecaster Cameron Kuykindall. Merry Christmas Eve.